guys, I'm back. Guess what? Let me tell you. We're lost. We went to the wrong pathway. And now we're back to the main road. And I don't know if you can see it, but this is smoke. We're getting close. And it's very cold, so you know the smoke. We're like smoking. Okay, those are my company. We went to the hiking trail. We didn't double check where we're going. But anyway, that was a good exercise for all of us, you know. So, walang sisihan. Talagang ganun. Naliligaw, di ba? Do you see that? Do you see the smoke? It's fun, right? Oh my gosh. I'm sweating so bad, which is good. Burning my calories. Ayan si Jen. Hi, Jen.
Hi guys. We're having fun.
Yep. We're enjoying the road. No cars, no hassles. Naligaw lang. We didn't check the GPS. But it's okay. That was a good exercise. May nagbitbit naman ng bag ko eh. Yeah, I'm so lucky. Wow. Can you hear the sound? They have chains on the tire. They're stopping. Don't know why they're stopping. There's a problem with their chain. Ay, wala na. Konti na lang. Hopefully, meron pa kami maratnan na na snow. Ayan po, hi. Ayan, may maliit na falls. There's a small falls. We're still walking. Hi Jen, how is it? Having fun? Having fun? Yeah, we're sweating though. There you go, the small, falls. So, we're sweating. Probably 1.5 kilometer. Malayo pa po lalakarin namin. Oh. There's the car. Oh. Tubig galing sa bundok. Ay, nakikita niyo ang smoke. Okay.